First up, we got le soleil, the sun. In French, you don't just say sunny day, you say c'est ensoleillé. It's like every day is a picnic in the French countryside. Speaking of picnics, and don't forget a nuage, a cloud. In French, cloud sounds like a delicious pastry. Just imagine biting into a nuage every time you look at the sky. Yum. But what happens when things get a little chilly? You'll need un manteau, a coat, for that. Because let's face it, Quebec is cold. Now, if you're enough lucky to live in Quebec this winter, you'll have to shovel some snow. Vous allez devoir pelleter de la neige. When the clouds roll in, you'll need un parapluie, an umbrella to stay dry. But if you're feeling fancy, just say il pleut des cordes, which means it's raining ropes. Why ropes? I have no idea, but it sure paints a vivid picture, right? So, when orage is in the forecast, get ready for an exhilarating show, Mother Nature's way. Just remember to stay safe, and you might want to cozy up with some hot chocolate. Il vente means it's windy. You can use this to describe those days when your hat is playing hide and seek. It's like the wind is giving your hair a wild, untamed French makeover. When verglas strikes, it's as if the ground is suddenly an ice skating rink without the fun music and figure skating. This is one weather term you'll want to remember to stay safe on the road or on the sidewalk. When brouillard descends, it's as if the world around you transforms into a mysterious and misty wonderland. Visibility decreases, and you might even feel like you're in a real-life fairy tale. Voila! You're now armed with essential French weather vocabulary. And remember, practice makes perfect. So try using this word in everyday conversation, whether you're discussing the weather in French or just ordering a croissant at the cafe. You've got this. À la prochaine!